Account settings.
Welcome everybody, and today I'm going to show you some of the different preferences and settings that you can use in your ZeroBounce platform. If I go to the top right side of the platform, you'll see a drop down. I'll go ahead and click into any of the sections directly, but we'll go through each one. So on my profile, this is the basic profile information about myself. If you'd like to change the email address on your account, you can go ahead and do that. Put your new email address in there and verify and hit the change email and run through that process. You're also able to change your password in here. You're able to turn on two-factor authentication, which we highly recommend. And you're also able to turn on password protected downloads, which will encrypt all of your data that's on the platform when you attempt to download it. So even if somebody had access to your password, access to your two-factor authentication, and then tried to download your data, they still would hit another roadblock. And so we're big believers in security and the privacy of your data. And so we've developed this feature as well. This is going to password protect the zip file on any of your downloaded data. And it's going to email that alert. It's going to email that password to you. And you're going to need that password in order to get access to any downloaded data from the ZeroBounce platform. So a nice little added level of protection and something here that our customers like to have. We have a bunch of email notifications that you can set up. Notify me when a new account is accessed by a new IP address. Notify me when my freemium is replenished. Notify me if no activity. This is our newsletter that you can be accessed to. And then we have some different notifications when your data gets completed for validation. And then we can also notify you 2 days and 7 days before your files get deleted. We delete all files off our platform after 30 days. And so we're trying to send you a few alerts to let you know you need to grab your data in case you haven't already. And also, if you hit a low balance, we're able to go ahead and send you an email as well. You configure and put in whatever you would like here and go ahead and turn this notification on. I do not recommend you put anything in here that is lower than something you might use in a few days. We do run this once per day. And so if you put 0, you're going to run out of credits before we notify you, and then we will notify you. So just leave yourself a buffer here. This should be a warning. This should not be a panic alarm. Give yourself the ability to know when your credits are running low. And then again, deliverability tools. We have some different tests here, and we're going to delete all that data as well and notify you if you're out of tests. On my account, I can add people to my account, such as additional people, and they get access to the different credits that you have, the deliverability toolkits. And we have 3 different role types that you can provide people, which is user, admin, and dev. The user role basically gets access only to the data that they upload. They can use the credits. They can't make purchases. They cannot manage your credit card on file and things of that nature. We like to think of them as just users. They want to upload data real quick and get the results back. The admins, these people have much more access. They get access to the whole platform. They get access to your API information. They get access to your billing. They get access to all data. So users that are uploading the data, they can see all of that and they can say who did that. And then also we have a dev role, and this is a little bit of a blend between a user and an admin. So the development role has access to the API. They have access to the API keys. They can test files as well and things of that nature, but they cannot manage your billing. They cannot manage these type of things. And it's really more of a development focused role. So you can invite them. You can have up to 10 team members. If you require more, just reach out to our support team, and we have some packages that we can help you out with there. And you can invite anyone to your team. Really useful and to keep everyone in a nice, clean spot. And the interface is very great. Just go ahead and delete people or modify. We also then have a few different options here. Account assist. This is if you reach out to us for support and you would like us to be able to assist you better. We'll ask you to toggle this on. It is not required, but it does give us the ability to go into your account and kind of troubleshoot with you and help you. And so you're explicitly giving us access to your account. Without this, we can only see very high level data in order to support you. On the billing section, I can have all these different payment methods that I have on file. I also can show you, and we can get set up with packages such as our validation. We can make purchase credits, modify any of our subscriptions, and I can also set up auto pay here, which is a really, really, really good tool to make sure that you never run out of credits. So this is not time-based like our monthly subscriptions would be. This is usage-based. So what if I go ahead and want to set this up? What I'm basically saying is that when my credits drop below, and I don't recommend 1 here, But when I run below 500 credits, I want to purchase 20,000. And so basically what we're doing is we're looking to see when this balance goes below this number, buy this automatically. So if I go ahead and toggle that on and save it, that is going to happen. It's going to happen in the background. This is really, really key for our customers who are using API and they're maybe not sure how often they're going through the credits. You're confused on which package might be best for you. It's really not a problem. We've solved it all and come up with ways that works for your business. We actually even have a lot of customers that will use monthly subscriptions and turn this on as a safeguard. So, to make sure they don't run out of credits, maybe their package needs to get upgraded. They'll also turn this on and they'll go ahead and get it set up to make sure they have no issues. There is no charge to use this product. It is simply auto purchasing on your behalf to make sure you never run out of credits. So you can enjoy that vacation and not worry about you running out of credits. Your invoices section, you'll see all your different invoices and payments. You can download and retrieve them, and they're always available here, and you're always able to add your information. The integrations would bring you over to the validation page. We have our FAQs, which will bring you over to our documentation page. We have a GDPR section, which allows you to accept our data DPA and our data processing agreement. And then, of course, you can sign out. These are our different options here in the profile and the options that you can choose.